right, so this is the first project in the area. We've got this front yard. It's got Japanese maple, some boulders, a couple in that area. This is driveway. That's our access point through to the backyard. Driveway wrapping in. So we're going to turn this into water feature he can run year round. Gonna have 3 urns within this area. It's going to have a small, medium, and large, and some boulders and gravel. And this will be the first feature that he's got here. So now I got to go get all this stuff lined up and get it on in this property, and that's going to be our way in. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we are in Melville today. Dix Hills? Melville, something like that. We are working on 3 projects. We've got front yard. We're building a fountainscape with 3 urns set up in here. So we're going to build, this is the piece in the front that got us in the door with them. We're going to then landscape it a little bit and do landscape lighting. Eventually, we'll do some planting up here as well, to fill in around. So got a small, medium, and large we're putting up here. 2 machines here for the stuff in the backyard. So we've got the S570 and the E32. Those are going to go back in the yard to put in a large pond and stream, and then a large waterfall setup cascading behind a pool. We're going to start off today out here, get this dug out, prepped, everything in outside of plumbing, and then we're going to get in the backyard and start digging that out. So guys should be here in a minute with our next load of materials. Boulders will be here tomorrow. The guys have the liner and other stuff, but one of the guys is going to work on starting to assemble. So let's get rocking. All right, first scoop we're going to take. Got this feature up here set. I'm going to get this all dug out. Our excess soil is going to come out of here. We're actually going to put it over there, where is our path, which it's going to be very tight, but we'll see what we can do to get through there with our machine to get in the backyard. We will make this work. And let's get this rocking and rolling. All right, our 3 urns are in place. We've got the aqua blocks, everything set in. One of the guys will be working on plumbing this all up and together. And we've got a SLD 4 to 7,000 pump to get good water volume out of this thing. So by the end of today, these things should be up and running and kicking for the end of the weekend for them. Guys are gonna head in the backyard with me. We're gonna get the pond dug. My hopes is we get that thing dug, underlayment, liner in, and I'd love to throw a couple rocks in before the end of the day. right, Friday afternoon. The guys kicked butt today. The urn setup is done. Outside of, we got to finish the edges and gravel it, but it's up and running for them for the weekend. The pond in the back has underlayment liner. We got it all dug, shelved, underlayment liner done today while we were doing all the other stuff. What do you think? We've already had the neighbors driving up and take a double take to see what was in this front yard. So we've got a small, medium, and large. I think they look even better because we brought them back and set them up because the front has a little of a hill. So when you're looking at the big one, you know, it looks like 6.5 feet tall. Let us know what you think. Hope you have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. All right, everyone. So here we are. It's all finished. This is our front feature results, which is 3 urns. It's got a small stack stone wall, bunch of lights in it, and it's planted out. Let me know what you think. So if you wanted something smaller, simple, that you could take care of and maintain, this is a great option for someone just starting out looking for a water feature. You might only start with 1, maybe 2, or you might go all out like this one and do all 3. This is a piece that someone is going to see, stop, as they always did while we were building it. Let me know what you think.